Welcome back to One More Guru. Today I'll show you how to stop your iPhone from being tracked. To get started, open your Settings app and use the search bar to look for Privacy. Tap on Privacy and Security once it appears. From there, select Tracking. Inside the Tracking menu, you can completely disable app tracking by toggling the option off. This will prevent all apps from requesting permission to track your activity. If you prefer more control, you can also manage tracking on an app-by-app basis by turning off specific apps instead. Next, go back to Privacy and Security and open Location Services. Here, you can turn off location access entirely, which will stop all apps from using your location. Alternatively, you can scroll through the list of apps and adjust location permissions individually, choosing which apps are allowed access and which are not. And that's all you need to do to reduce or stop tracking on your iPhone. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe to One More Guru, and I'll see you in the next one.